the deal, YouTube? It's your girl.
Sorry.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your girl Lexi Marie, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can see by the title, this is the Smacks or Facts Challenge. And I'm here with my girl SJ. We're not gonna get in. I don't give a fuck. Y'all, I am over this. Oh my god.
Can we
This is
eat?
never done. Let's get into that ASMR. Okay, y'all ready?
Oh, this hurt.
You see that too?
Yeah. Oh, that's how I went.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. Y'all ready? Oh, we supposed to be like.
Mm. Mm, mm. Mm. I forgot a word. Mm. Mm, mm. Girl, better burn. They put extra cheese. Mm.
Bro, stop laughing.
You silly, bro. That's good. Mm.
Mine's a little dry. Oh, that's a little dry.
So good.
Yours dry too?
Mm. I got this barbecue sauce sauce.
I got to tell you.
Mm-hmm. Damn. Mm-hmm. I feel like I got sauce on my nose.
This is like good.
I hate tomatoes.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I like pickles.
I can't eat pickles on my sandwich. I gotta eat them on the side.
That boy brown.
You gonna trick them into thinking we doing the Smacks or Facts. They gonna be watching. You're bait.
Smacks. The fuck? This is smacking. Oh. Smacks. It's like one.
This is so good. Mine tastes like a hamburger. Which one tastes like?
Bread.
Bread?
Mm-hmm. It's too much. Like, they should have put a lot of meat on it.
No, remember you just trying to rub it in my face how you had a lot more meat in yours?
That was on the first one.
At least it was the first one.
I just ate that last. But I've been in the car. Mm.
And you just knew that one was just gonna be fire. You knew that was gonna be fire.
Last piece.
This is really good.
Hmm.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm. I can't wait to eat my strawberry. You so can't be loving that.
I should have grabbed something. You should have said something.
I don't know. It'd be hard to find them bitches. That's crazy. I swear to God. On the west side, bro.
You don't even know why I'm looking at you. That's the funny part.
Well,
Every time I try to find
oh,
B words.
it's 100. It's a bad habit.
Let's see how many times SJ cussed.
I
Watch.
never
Keep track, and at the end of the video, comment how many times you think SJ.
20 times. That
Nah, this is funny.
came from that.
Bro, we've been eating for 7 minutes.
I bet smashed. I should have brought my purse over here. I need some gummy worms immediately. Damn, you really hear it. Like, you really sound like one of them videos.
That's how you was with the lemonade. Doing too much. It's the bread. The bread's so good.
Ugh. I don't like all that pineapple shit at the bottom. Or the peach. Girl, hurry up.
I'm trying, but
I eat so fast.
I almost choked trying to keep up with you. I just throw my ass down. Like, okay.
I eat so fast.
This shit is so good. Oh.
Cold. I got myself 10 times. If I cut more than 10 times, it's gonna be something. I'm gonna give you it.
I'm almost done, y'all. Hold on. I thought you was gonna get your. Nah, let me hear you.
Man, cuz. Come on, bro. Bro.
Man, I'm trying. Give me 2 seconds. You didn't. Oh, God. And she's still going. We'll be right back. Oh, it's purified. Nasty. Like spring.
Girl, bye.
Girl, no. Purified.
Spring?
Purified is disgusting.
Spring?
Purified tastes like you're eating lead. Like you're tasting
Bro, no.
Yeah.
It's clean water.
That shit is
That
nasty.
spring water is trifling.
Spring is natural.
It's trifling.
It's natural.
It's trifling.
Purified, that shit stuck in your throat.
It's
That
good
shit,
for your body. Spring water
I
is
can't.
disgusting.
Mm.
You finna spit it out anyway. Off
Bitch,
one word.
I mean, ooh,
What?
girl, bye.
Do it.
Don't be childish. I mean, I want to laugh. Like, I don't trust you. Let me see.
Kalahari. Girl.
Ugh, my pure policy.
It's good for you.
When it comes to a game, I can play a game. I wanted to laugh.
Look, she wanted to.
So this is how. Okay, so this is how it goes. We give each other. We do 10 seconds. We give each other 10 seconds.
15.
Girl, no, because we should know these.
No.
That's how.
Okay,
That's how.
okay.
I think she's saying it because her questions are long as fuck. Don't play
10
with me.
seconds.
Don't play with
10
me.
seconds.
So we give each other 10 seconds, 2 tries. And the way Smacks or Facts goes, ask a question, they either get it right, they get it wrong, get a smack to the face with powder, they get it right, then they're safe. So let's get straight into the video.
Yes, I'm missing the nail.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors. I'm taking my boots off.
I'm gonna take my shoes off too.
Now about to play. Let's see. To the side. So we got our powder.
Let me take these earrings off.
Our powder. I should have bought us down like no hair, please.
Oh, mine's put up. I got you.
I'm about to go put my bonnet on. I'm not playing with you.
Girl, not the
Let me
bunny.
go. Yes, they be having a bonnet on. No, some of them be in a tub. Fuck, forget. Okay, we playing like that. Damn, this is not a hoodie. Yeah, so I don't put nothing in my hair.
Girl, this is my hair big.
This, you know, for just say. But, I don't know.
Let me see. I gotta be angled.
That's why I had the chairs like to the side how they were.
My hand's too big, bruh.
I feel like she about to be trying to. She's laughing like.
No. No. Let me see.
Y'all ain't cool.
I know, bro.
Try not to
I'm
scratch
gonna
my
do this
face.
side. You can leave it like that.
Okay. So we're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoes. See, hold up.
Yeah.
I had to get one. Okay.
I should have got the big bag. I knew it.
We're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoes. Best out of 3 or 1?
Best 2 out of 3.
Best out of 3. Winner, go first.
Two.
You get to go first.
Okay. Look. Hold on.
I don't trust it.
This one easy. I don't think I need this. When's my birthday?
December 18th. Alright. How did we first meet?
Middle school.
How did we meet though?
You didn't like me. 'Cause I was
No, that was never. You lied. That's not how we first met.
Yes, it
10.
was. When you was in
9,
all girl class.
8.
And I came there, it was your birthday.
7. 6.
So that wasn't it.
5. 4.
So that wasn't it.
3. 2.
We was at the lunch table.
1. You get another try. Go ahead.
Bro.
Okay.
Bro.
So I'm gonna tell you how we first met. Remember, I had every class with Kyla. Then she started bringing Michaela around. No, what was her name? Michaela. Michaela around. Remember, it was your birthday, and my mama did not know who you was, and my mama was saying no. And that's when Michaela was like, "No, she cool. You can talk to my mama about her." I first met you when I came over for your birthday.
Girl, no.
Yes, that is.
I knew you when it was your birthday.
No.
And you was
that- Why is she saying names in our YouTube videos?
Girl, we gonna cut that out, but that's what happened.
No, I don't remember.
And I said, "Happy birthday, Alexis."
I don't remember you.
Wow.
I don't remember.
That's when I knew you, though.
That's when you knew me. I didn't know you till your birthday.
That don't count. That's how we met.
That's not how we met.
That's how I met
Girl, I
you.
probably looked at you. I didn't know who you
No.
was. I don't know who it was. No. Cause that's when I came over for your birthday, and y'all used to have that big stool right there.
And I
next
was
to
dancing on the
wall.
floor. I remember that.
And then,
But
I should have put
that's
that on my thing. No. It was something with some mustard. What the?
Man, is.
I should have asked the question. I want to change my question.
No, you can't.
Oh, but you still love.
No, that's
Yeah, no. I did not mention
Alright,
them. What made you? Who told you I didn't like you, or you just assumed?
No, because it was like, it was your birthday.
So, pause. Did somebody tell you I didn't like you, or you assumed?
No.
You assumed? Okay,
That's how you were,
thank you.
though.
Thank you. No, it wasn't. I didn't know you. If I did that, I don't even remember that. How I met you when I came up.
Look, when I told you that, you was just like, come on. Look,
You're
you was just like,
wasting.
you was just like, I probably was like, I don't know you. That's exactly what you just said. But then you was like, how you know I didn't like you?
I'm asking you. You said I didn't like you.
I don't
But how
know
did you
what
know
you did, but
You
it
know,
was like,
see,
you
I
was
probably
like-
made a face at her.
No,
She
she was
I don't
funny
like- I think I like
acting.
it.
She was
No,
funny. It was her
yeah.
birthday. She was feeling herself. Yes.
I
was
don't
like, happy
remember.
birthday.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
That
Girl.
wasn't nothing. I thought she was gonna move back again. I
No.
don't want to scratch you. Girl, it was already a slap. Next. This girl
Oh
must
my
want-
God. Okay. What's my go-to hairstyle? 10, 9,
About.
no, 8,
Oh, your slick
7.
ponytail.
no, 6.
Wait, those two hairstyles as far as like natural or getting your hair done?
Get my hair done. 5, 4.
I never seen you with braids.
3.
Middle part long.
Okay.
I never seen her with braids. I almost said
I
beat
know.
I almost said beat
I'm like a bob. I got that shit like, I got that like 3 times. I love my
So far, I'm
hair.
winning.
Okay.
2 times though.
I'm doing nice.
What?
Girl, come on.
What teacher did your mom cuss out for telling me to stop being your friend?
Miss Bonds. Hey, that was hilarious, dog. She was so saucy. I'm like, girl,
mad at
so
me.
you didn't say that? No, they told Alexis. Alexis, remember? Like, no, she don't. She remember you telling her some, like, girl. My mom was gonna slap her.
She was mad at me after that.
She was like, I don't appreciate you telling my daughter she can't and cannot be offensive and that you're even talking about her to another student. My mom was mad.
Alright, go. It's okay.
What's my favorite movie? 10, 9, 8, 7,
Tangled?
6,
I don't I know.
4,
It's
3, 2, 1. No
Hold up.
time.
I feel more
10, 9, 8,
It's the only time my son I just didn't have.
7,
We used to always watch it.
6.
No, we didn't.
Like, I knew the whole movie. Like, it was funny when we watched it every time. 5,
We used to watch it all the time.
4.
Why the fuck I want to say Garfield?
What?
I don't know. Did we even
Hey,
ever
let me
watch
tell you.
Garfield? I know it though. It's sometimes we so.
It's on what?
Like, walk away. It's something.
Your time been up.
I know it ain't High School Musical.
No.
It's Just say it. I know. I Cinderella.
No.
It's something funny.
White chicks.
We didn't watch that all the time.
Yes, we did.
We did.
Hi, I miss you like Sally. You don't remember that? No. Yes.
No, I'm sorry, I forgot. Wait, and I'm back, Daddy.
Right. Look at my huge Monopoly. Like, they used to be like the.
I don't
like,
remember. Oh my gosh, wow. I knew it was something funny. I wanted to say scary movie, but I couldn't get it out. I mean, I was still wrong, but I'm scared.
Don't be. Lean your face for it. Move. Come on. I ain't gonna smack you for it. I'm just tap you. Come on. Girl, come on. Just get over it. I'm not
That's not too much. That's not fair.
No.
You want the butt whooping
Come
now?
on. Move your hands. Put them down.
I'm scared.
Come on.
Let's rethink this game. Ready?
It's fine.
There's only one? Okay. What's that? One to my two?
No.
That is
You
one.
only
I got
hit me
two.
one time. You only smack me one time.
Oh.
So you.
Oh, you got a question. What? Never mind. It's 1-on-1. What did I used to want to be?
A doctor? A lawyer?
Wait, boss. Okay, you're on both. What? It was a mediocre dream. It wasn't nothing for real.
A singer? A rapper?
No, you already lost. But
No, I got 10
you
seconds
said
and
no.
another
You
try.
have 2 tries. I said that in the beginning. You have 10 seconds.
So this
and
whole
2
time we've
tries.
been guessing different movies.
Oh no, I already said I was wrong. That's why I handed you the powder. I was already wrong. I was just trying to guess it for myself. I said it.
So we only get 2
2
responses.
tries. Yes, you only get 2 tries.
So we
and a
can only
countdown.
say it one. We can't guess.
No, 2 tries. That's how the game's going.
What?
No, after that you just guessing. Yes.
No, that's not how it works. That's not how it should work.
But I mean, you ended up knowing it. But yeah.
If I know it, like, girl, what was that?
Huh?
I'm talking. You ain't doing good. You just be like, it's called SMACKS for a reason. No, you already did it. You already did it.
Okay, go ahead.
How many siblings do I have altogether? 10, 9, 8, 7.
4.
No.
You count your damn self.
No. It's not. I'm not. It's not 4. You got another try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
5.
3, 2. Who was the 5th one?
That you
You
didn't
can't.
ask that.
No, you
What
can't.
do you mean?
Nah,
It's somebody I'm
you
missing, but I don't
guessed.
think I met them. But I think you told me
But
about
you
them.
don't. But
Did I meet them?
I don't know.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Who you
Last
talking about?
night.
Last night.
Who let us in the house?
Who let us in the house?
Paris.
I don't know who no Paris is.
That's my brother.
I thought Darius was there. You didn't hear me
No.
say Darius in the car? I
No.
said Darius. Well, I don't know no Paris. But I said it had to be another. I knew about the baby girl. I knew about the baby boy. Then Rod and Darius.
It's really 6 because Martina,
Who was Martina?
my adopted sister. So we
Who was
still incorrect.
Martina?
My adopted sister.
No, but who was Martina? You
My
gotta
sister.
describe her to.
She dark skinned.
I never
She
met
wear
her.
weave.
I
Yes, you
never
have.
met her.
Bro, yes you have. On everything. I'm gonna call my mom right now. I'm gonna call my mama right now.
I think I
So it's really 6. So
I
it's
never.
really
Where
6.
did I meet her at?
Family functions.
I ain't never met her as your sister. No.
Yes, definitely.
I keep thinking of your godmama for some reason.
No, mine. Wasn't my Tina adopted?
Yeah. What?
No,
And
I don't know her.
Alexis never met her.
I don't think so.
Thank you. You can't use that against me.
No,
I didn't. No, I was right. I never. How am I gonna get in
You
trouble?
never
when I
met
know
Paris
her?
either, but you counted that as 5.
I said I felt like it was another one, but I thought it was a younger one. I just said 5, but I never knew about her though. That don't count because I never knew about her.
All right, come on. This how we play. All right, good. Come on. Come on.
It's your turn.
No, it's yours.
It's your turn.
It's yours.
That was my question.
That was my question.
Oh.
How many siblings do I have?
How many relationships have I been in?
No.
10.
1. I just had to think about it. It was irrelevant. I had to think like. Anyways.
I'm like, I know you gotta get this one right.
That was
Because I don't even know.
Okay.
And
Okay.
my hand.
Do I prefer weed or do I prefer liquor? No.
I just felt like this is a trick question, I swear. I mean, I kind of lost that one because it was an either or question, so I just lost that one, basically.
No, but
I
it's like,
mean,
you
if it ain't
what
no,
would
then
you
they gotta.
do?
I mean,
What would you like? I
don't know. I just thought
I
it was a
blow
trick
more than I
question.
drink. No.
I thought it was a trick question. It's just hair. I ain't seen nobody tonight.
Come here, you gotta turn your face.
No, you wanna hurt
Do
me?
you want
Stop.
me? Yeah, so I don't have to get it everywhere on your hair and stuff. Let me see.
How many animals did we have and what was the animals?
2. Henry and Chloe.
You remember that name? Who was who?
Henry was the cat and Chloe was the
Oh,
dog.
that was my baby.
Those
You
was my
remember?
babies. Those was
Oh
my
my
babies.
God. I didn't think
I
you
remember
remember
the
the
Henry.
name.
I love Henry. Chloe.
No, I should come out another day talking about, you think I should get Aubrey and Harlem a cat? We just had some you want to get rid of. I didn't ask you all of that. I'm just gonna go get a cat. Like, okay. You could have kept the ones we had.
I love them.
Wow, you remember that? That's crazy. I
Okay.
missed them.
Do I prefer curly weave or straight weave?
Straight.
Okay.
Let me see. Who was my crush in high school? No, it was supposed to be like, who was my first crush in high school? Initial only.
High school?
My first crush. B. Wait, let me think what his initial is. No, it's not. Who? No. I remember Ice Record. No. What?
Yeah.
First one. No. Okay.
Your first one?
Oh, 10. I'm not even.
G.
Ooh. I didn't even consider that as an option.
What?
I forgot all about that thing.
Who are you thinking about?
I feel like you should know this one on the one I was talking about. Oh, 10. You basically already lost. I forgot to count.
Okay, come
M.
on.
I forgot his name. Yes.
What?
Yes.
What?
Ninth grade, it wasn't. Ninth grade, it wasn't.
Girl, ain't nobody thinking about that.
Who else would have been?
Girl.
Ninth grade.
So,
Girl, you got me forgetting this junk. Ooh.
You can have some.
It's on the thing. Ooh. So what is it now? I'm winning. I don't even keep
When
count.
did I get my braces and when did I get them off?
That is a trick question. 2016.
No, like the grades.
It was 2016.
No, like, okay, the grades. Like, what grade was I in? And what
I
grade
know, but it was 2016.
Okay.
I remember the year.
What grade was that?
Oh, that was that was 9.
No,
2016 was 9th grade.
it was 8th grade.
2016. No.
I got my braces in 8th grade.
No, I'm trying to think. That wasn't 2016 then. Are you lying?
Girl, I said what grade? And you talking about a
Oh,
year.
that was 2016? Like, yeah.
I thought it was. It was like the ending, but
Because 2016 is 9th
no,
grade.
I don't know.
2016, we graduated 2020.
Right.
2016. That's 4 more years.
Okay, but I got my braces in 8th grade. So
You had took it off around like,
a grade.
it was like, girl, that's all I was thinking. It was like 11th, 12th grade.
No.
12th grade.
No. 10th grade, honey.
What? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
It's been that long?
Yes.
Yeah, I said 11th, 12th grade.
Like what? Since I had retainers.
Girl, I can't remember.
Come on. Ooh, sorry.
She is a liar talking about stuff. Ooh, where is it?
Nowhere. It's just a little, you know. Oh, it's not on your hair. Trust me.
What size should I wear?
9. What's my favorite TV show?
You don't like TV.
Okay, I have a favorite
Back and
TV
forth.
show. No, that's not it.
How that's not it?
I like that show, but it's not.
She
my
knows.
favorite.
She every time I talk to her, she
That's
like, my
not
TV's
my
off. I don't like
favorite.
watching TV.
Right,
You remember that?
but I'm on
That
Netflix.
blonde shit, that blonde relationship stuff.
Huh?
That show. That show
No,
watching. But then I don't remember.
you.
I never knew that. I didn't know that. I wasn't gonna get to it. I didn't know that. So last time I checked with you, you didn't like watching TV. You like being in the dark.
I do.
Be mysterious.
I just watch that shit. I'll just watch it.
Girl, so it ain't Bad Girls Club though. That was
Bad Girls
vibe.
Club, no, like that. I like that show. Like I can watch it, but it's not my favorite show. Like
I didn't
You
finish
is
You.
interesting. Like that's just drama. It's funny to watch. But
You be laughing.
Yeah.
I can see you laughing at it.
Okay. Go ahead.
It's your turn.
What was my favorite TV show? That was my question.
How many tattoos do I have? You trying to count?
I remember the one when we first got it. I went. Then got another one.
Think of me, go get my tattoo.
Then you got another one. Right outside that your hand. Then you got one behind your ear or something.
How many do I have?
I'm trying to think. 4.
I ain't sure, yeah. It is.
Alright, my turn.
Look at her knowing something. That's crazy.
What was my longest relationship and how long?
Carlin. 3 years. Are you on 4? What size pants did I wear? I think
7.
What? Girl, I am not thick.
That's not thick.
7, yes.
A 5.
No, all of them.
What is it?
I wear size 1. I am
What?
very skinny, yes.
Girl, bye.
I do. I wear size 1. Yeah, we're gonna.
Jay finna be mad.
Look at this girl.
Okay.
It's about. You have one?
Trying to see something.
Girl.
I'm trying to see. These some good questions.
I got another question too. Let's just go to the head.
When was our first time getting high?
Really? Really? I don't remember. I do. Before the game, when I first met, what's the name of there?
Who?
I'm not sure her name. No, exactly. Irrelevant. Her.
But no, it was one before that.
No, it wasn't. It was dead.
The edible.
Dog, you was so mad. No, let me tell ya. We're too young to be calling
Girl, bye.
something happened. Bro, come on, bro. No, for real. Chill out.
What?
Chill out. For real. I need
Bro,
my
they
video.
don't care.
What was we talking about? Oh my god.
Yeah, high with the edible.
Oh my god. Yeah, so something happened.
She had a cookie.
Yeah, it was a cookie. And I guess I never had one before or something, so I guess I was tripping or something. She came in there like, my mom about to be home. Please, just go to sleep.
Man.
He was so stressed
Me
out.
and Tasha was just like, oh my god. She was in there singing. I'm like, dog.
I was.
Yes, man. We was on the couch dead for about an hour, just laughing at everything. Like, it was funny.
Okay, that's the end of this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think of the video. And also comment new ideas that we can do on my channel. Bye.
Bye.